This is an example scenario where I built an private OCR API, which extract the text from the PDF, and it was completely private and it's completely free too because the OCR Bro node will be completely doing the whole extraction of the text within our own system. So to just test the things out here, so I'm just going to send a sample, you know, PDF file as a binary data to this particular webhook over here. So let's just wait for it and let me just open the execution tab. See, it simply took 2.5 seconds and it simply happened. The whole PDF text got extracted. Just have a look. It was so goddamn simple. And but here the only requirement here is we should be sending the PDF or even the image file as a binary thing. And we will be selecting the, you know, appropriate options from here, extracting the text from PDF or OCR from image. So these are the two things that are, you know, working for, OCR Pro for now. So that's it for today.